Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the app for typing Chinese characters. Let's go to the store first and search Lime HD, this one right here, and install. You can type all the Chinese characters by using numbers, and you don't have to care about the pronunciation. Click open and close. Next, switch on Lime. OK. Let's go to the app. Click the arrow and download Radicals Array 10. This one in the middle. Downloading. And click for settings like turn off the emoticon. Pick the color you like. And I'll show you 10 Chinese characters.